Nisha. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, many of you have used the camera function in your Android phone, but anyone has used the camera function in Excel? Let's see what are the benefits of this camera icon. Where is the camera icon in the Excel? Can you find anywhere in this menu? No, it is not there. You have to bring that icon in front of your Excel. How you can do that? Let's start. Just click on this office button. Yes. Then click on Excel options. Yes. Again this window will appear. In that you have to customize your ribbon. Then click over here. Customize. Now you have to search for the camera icon. It will not appear over here because it will show only popular command. How you will find out? Just click over here and click on all commands. So it will show all the commands of the Excel ribbon. Now you have to search by scrolling over here, or you can select anywhere and click on C. Yeah, this camera icon is appearing over here. Just select it and add it. It will add to your customized access toolbar. Click on OK. Now you can see the camera icon in your screen. Now how you can use that? Say for example, I will select this data. Just click on camera button. What will happen? Nothing. It will select my data range and the sign of this mouse pointer will be changed. I will click over here. See the magic. It will create a copy of this data with link. Means the data is linked with this image. Say for example, I will make change over here. I will just type 300. Then you will see automatically your picture data is also changing. Say for example, I am inserting one row over here. Say for example, I will write Kijal. And I will also write amount over here. See, the same data is also appearing in image. This you can also copy. You can also paste it in your Word document. Let's say it is a blank Word document. Control V. Yes. You can also paste it in your PowerPoint and you can use it as the way you like. Hope friends you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Keep smiling.